In construction, the Inspection and Test Plan, or ITP, is essential for maintaining quality. An ITP outlines the specific steps and procedures for inspections and tests, helping to catch potential issues before they escalate. Think of it as a roadmap for ensuring every aspect of a project meets the required standards. Key components include the scope, which defines what's being inspected, and inspection points that highlight critical stages in the process. Acceptance criteria set the bar for what's considered acceptable work, while testing procedures detail the methods and equipment used. Responsibilities clarify who's in charge of inspections, and documentation ensures everything is recorded properly. Lastly, a schedule keeps everything on track, and the sign-off process confirms that results are approved. An effective ITP is crucial for delivering a successful project, minimizing delays, and enhancing safety on site.